Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has restrained the People's Democratic Party, PDP Governors Forum, the National Working Committee, Board of Trustees, and National Executive Committee of the party from tampering with or dissolving the State Executive Committee, local government areas, Executive Committee, and Wards Executive Committee of the party in Rivers State. The court also restrained the defendants from constituting any interim committee to replace the officers of the party at the state, local government, and ward levels in Rivers State. Justice Peter Alifo issued the order while delivering ruling in an ex parte application brought before him by the PDP Rivers State Executive Committee led by Aaron Chukwuemeka and his counterparts at the local government and ward levels. Justice Alifo also ordered the PDP national body and others not to tamper with or dissolve the local government and ward leaderships of the PDP in Rivers State, who were elected along with the State Executive Committee during the recent Congress of the party. In an enrolled order obtained by our correspondent, the court ordered that on no ground shall the tenure of the Rivers PDP Executive Committees at the state, local government, and wards be truncated by the defendants. Besides, the judge also ordered that the defendants must not in any way allow or permit any other group or persons to perform the duties and functions of the PDP state, local government, and ward officers elected between July 37 and August 31, 2024. Plaintiffs in the ex parte application marked FHC/ABJ/CS/1396/2024 are Aaron Chukwuemeka, Oyefubara Igerewari, and Tangod Beke, who sued on behalf of themselves and state, local government, and ward executive committees. The defendants are PDP Umar Damagum, Samuel Ayamu, Umar Bature, National Working Committee, the NEC, BOT, INEC, and Alhaji Bala Muhammad of the PDP Governors Forum as first to ninth defendants. What do you have to say to this development in PDP Rivers State?
Well, I think what the chairman of the party in the states, Aaron Chukwuemeka, and his group have done is to secure their place as the duly elected party officials in the states, from the ward levels down to the state executive committee members. What they have done is normal, like I said, because before this time there have been some kind of threats. You know, there has been some kind of infighting for the soul of the party in Rivers State. With the governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, leading his charge on one part, and the minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, on the other part, alongside his supporters. So just recently, the party held the election, the Congress from the ward level, local government to the state level, and winners emerged. The party now have officers. But in recent time, we began to hear from the Governors Forum chairman, that is Governor Bala Muhammad, and his group, trying to remove or trying to cause some kind of problem that will lead to the governor of Rivers State taking over the structures of the party. So what Aaron Chukwuemeka and his group have done is to run to the court, which is the arbiter, the hope of the common man, to say, please, restrain these people from interfering or from tampering with election, the Congress that have been done and winners emerge. It is their right. They have that constitutional right, to protect themselves. So what they have gone is to, what they have done is to go to the courts and
to forestall any attempt.
Yeah, in case anybody is plotting anything to remove them, please, court, protect us. That's what they have done. And for me,
could this also be a fallout of the internal rife between going on in the PDP Governors Forum with a section, supporting Governor Siminalayi Fubara, and another section on the side of Umar Damagum? And by extension, the FCT
when you
minister.
put all these things into play, you come to agree that PDP as a party, as it is today, is sharply divided. And, this is politics. at this politicking stage, people are plotting. It's like a chess game on how to remain relevant, on how to remain in place. So at the end of the day, the court will look at all the cases to know those who are right and those who are wrong. So what I understand by what Chukwuemeka has done, Aaron, is to safeguard his position as the elected chairman of the party in the state. So for me, it's normal. I would do the same if I were to be in his shoes.
You will do the same if you were to be?
I will.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So you're applauding this move?
No, very good move.
But it's an ex parte order. It has a last span of 7 days.
No problem. Because okay. I believe that he did what he did
based on some information.
He would have gotten some information that people are working to truncate his position.
So the ex parte order while he prepares for
so that's what it is.
All right.